Hi, welcome. Till now, we have learned about making the website using the Elementor and using the Envato elements and so on. So forth. Now, we would be learning further ahead in case you want to make an e-commerce website. Then, how do you do it? Now, first thing first, what is an e-commerce? So, e-commerce, it is an online commerce wherein if you've got a product or service which you want to sell it to the people on the internet and you want to accept the payment online and you want to send them the product purchase product to them through a courier service delivery or maybe a delivery partner of yours, then this whole mechanism is called as a e-commerce, which is also called as a electronic commerce. It means you are able to run your business electronically onto the internet. So how to get it done? So, or in fact, what are things you need? Now, first thing first, as I said, you should be having a product or service which you are trying to sell. So when it's a product, it could be a physical product, it could be a digital product which people can go and buy it. Then comes the services part. Now services could be subscription based, one-time purchase, and so on and so forth. Right. So in case if you have got any of this kind, then for all these businesses, you can go and do an e-commerce business. So this is first thing you need. Second important thing what you need is a payment gateway. Now, what is payment gateway? So it is a platform which is going to allow you to get the payment from your customers through online mechanism. When I say online, what means people can pay you through credit card, through debit card, online banking, through wallet system, wallet payments, UPI payment methods, right? And if your bank is giving you an equated monthly installments, that can also be given as an EMI. All those things will fall from your bank side. Bank is going to provide you, right? So if you want to take payment from all these methods, then you can go make use of a payment gateway. So generally, payment gateway could be given by your bank, or you can look at some third-party payment gateway systems. Now, what are those that I would be exposing you as we move on further? All right. So let's start to create our e-commerce website. Now, the first thing what you need right now to make your website as an e-commerce, you have to go and install a plugin which is called as a WooCommerce. So go back to the plugins here, add new, and search here Woo, COMARC. So WooCommerce is a plugin which is good for you or compatible with WordPress websites. So you could see here WooCommerce install now. So WooCommerce by automatic is a thing we have to go take into consideration. There will be many more of that sort, but you don't have to choose anything else. Just click on WooCommerce and install now. Just give a moment, it will get installed right now. All right, got it installed. Now go and make it activate. Just give me a moment, it will get activated very quickly. Now, moment it gets activated, now it is telling you to start configuring your WooCommerce. So you have to give your address wherever your physical business is located, right? In case you say I have got, I'm selling a digital product. In that case, it should be your registered business, and it is mandatory. You cannot keep it blank, otherwise, you will not comply with the e-commerce rules. So I can put an address. And then choose a country, choose an India, and choose along with that, I'll go choose the state as well, city, and put the postal code. Okay, now if you're doing it for the client, you can just check this one and continue. But I'm doing it for myself, then I can click on continue. So no thanks. All right. Now it is going to ask you in which industry does this store operate. So you have to choose the relevant category for your e-commerce. So are you into fashion, apparel and accessories, health and beauty, electronics, food and drink, home, furniture, garden, education and training and others. So right now I will choose as a education and learning, which is good for me. Click and continue. Now it says what type of product you would like to get listed. So is it a physical product? So I said training is not a physical product. I will uncheck. Is it a downloadable product? No. Is it a subscription? Yes. Is it a membership? Is it a booking? Is it a bundle or customize anything? Right? You have to choose one of these. So I could say it is a subscription based. Is it a booking based? Yes. Is it a bundle product? Yes. It could be a customized product. Now, what is customized product? I'll tell you in a while. Right? And membership. Let's say I want to choose everything. That's fair enough. Not a physical one. Continue. Then comes how many products do you plan to display? So right now, how many products you've got which you think that you are going to display on your website? Let's say if you are an e-commerce and something you feel like I am going to have roughly around 100 to 1,000 products. Choose this one. Then it is also going to ask you that are you selling anywhere else? Maybe on Amazon, maybe on a Snapdeal or Best Buy or Let's Buy, wherever it is, go and choose it. Let's say yes on another platform. Yes, I own a different store powered by WooCommerce, in person a physical store. If you're already operating through a physical store, then in that case, it would be useful for you to go and choose. Otherwise, make it no, move on. Now it will ask you to add some more additional plugins along with WooCommerce. It means now once you create your WooCommerce website, you would be also you can get opportunity to sell your products on Facebook. You can also go and make use of MailChimp, which will allow you to manage the emails, automatic emails to the customers who are coming and transacting on our website. Creating email from another creative service products like MailChimp only. Then also you've got a Google ad. So if you want to go and publish your do your ad on Google, then it will also be useful for you. So I recommend keep all for you because in future, if you want to do, the plugins would be already available in your system. Then continue. Give it some time. It will get configured. Very good. Now it is telling you to choose a theme. So one is I'm already having one of my theme, so I want to install the use the same theme. Or in case you think that you have to go and choose another theme for this website, you can go and change the theme as well. So these are storefront free. Then overline, this $79 per year, $79 per year. It is up to you. But I think I'm happy with the theme what I have. Continue with my active theme. Right? It says enhance your WooCommerce shipping and attacks. In case you want to have a you want to get into sales tax because we're doing it. If you're liable for paying a tax, then choose this option. And along with that, if you're into logistics and want to do the printing and shipping and labeling at your home, then choose this option. It's important. Give it some time. Not just telling you to create a jetpack. This is nice and so this is good to have. So maybe like already have an account, sign in, continue. Um, Google, let me do this job. All right, we are almost done. Very good. Locking, connect. So why Jetpack? Jetpack gives you additional functionalities to your e-commerce website. And also it will protect your website from the spams. or I mean some bots, which is good for you to go and use it for your website.